Hi, welcome back to Art Design with Canva with me, Reno Nadiandi, and today I will share how to create video mockup in Canva. So I have a sport t-shirt design here, and then I will download it. Click Share, click Download with transparent background, and choose only this page. Click Done, and click Download. And then I will add a new page. Go to Element, and then scroll down to Mockups, and choose Video Mockups, or you can choose from the category here. I will go to Apparel, click See All. So these are still mockup and also video mockup. Choose your favorite videos. I will choose this one. And then upload the transparent image that we just download. And then drag it to the mockup. I will increase the size. And then click play. So now we have the video mockup. And click here and then we can edit the video. You can change the color of the t-shirt. For example, I will change it to yellow. And then like you see here, some of the design was cut by the border. So I will reduce the size here. Okay, and then click apply changes. Please wait while Canva applying the design to the mockup to the new adjustment. Click play. So now we have it. Alright, so this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.